For very simple use cases, you can export individual boards or the entire levels as simple ASCII text files with comma separated values. To do that, you have to select a board if you want to export the board. Then go to the level menu, board, generate script, and you have three choices. You either export by character grid, hex grid, or integer grid. And what are these values? It's basically every tile can be shown by three values. If I, for example, choose the player tile def and then go to the settings and open the tile def, over here you see that the tile def has a character E, a handle in decimal integer, 92, and on top of that you have the hex value for this integer. So you can export, you can generate the text file showing either the character, the decimal value, or the hexadecimal value. Anyway, let's look at it. So if I go to level, board, generate script, and hex grid, you see over here I have basically a list of tile defs that were on the board, and 0 means empty. And I can do the same for the entire level by going to level, generate script, and picking one of these. If I do decimal, it looks like this. So you can see that it starts with a bunch of metadata that you can ignore if you know what you're doing and you already know you already just want your values. Just read line by line until you see board grid begin. In front of it, it says decimal. So that's the type of the numbers. In front of it, you have the size of the board. And then you have a bunch of zeros, which means empty space. And then you have your tile defs. You can also export by hex, which looks nicer. So you always have three characters, and then you have a comma. So it is easier to read by eye. And then you have the hex values of your tile defs. So it's easy to read. Just read line by line. If you don't need any of these metadata fields, you can just ignore them until you see board grid begin. Board grid begin. In front of it, you have the data type. You have the type of the handle. It's hex, character, or decimal. Dimensions, zeros or empties. These are your tile defs. Depending on your engine, you can just spawn tile defs based on their handle and read until you get to board grid end. And the rest of these values are also just additional fields belonging to the board. And if you have multiple boards, then you have multiple board ends and board begins. You can look for them and then separate the boards.